Vietnamese broken rice, exquisite flavor of Vietnamese cuisine. Vietnamese broken rice, known as com tam, is a traditional and distinctive dish of Vietnam. Considered a culinary symbol of the southern region, com tam has become an indispensable part of the Vietnamese people's diet and has captured the attention and love of international visitors. Com tam is made from broken rice, a delicious and fragrant variety of rice. The term broken rice refers to the broken grains that occur during the milling process. This unique characteristic sets com tam apart from other regular rice dishes. In the traditional method, the best com tam is cooked in clay pots or cast iron pots over charcoal fire. However, to save time, many people nowadays opt for the steaming method. Before cooking, the broken rice is soaked in water for a few hours to soften the grains before being steamed until fully cooked. The aroma of perfectly cooked com tam will surely leave a lasting impression. Com tam is typically served with a variety of accompaniments, including steamed egg meatloaf, cha trung, made from a mixture of eggs, meat, wood ear mushrooms, and the right amount of seasoning. The meatloaf is usually steamed and then cut into rectangular or circular slices. Pork skin, bai lan. Cleaned pork skin is lightly boiled and then thinly sliced. It is mixed with a touch of seasoning and, particularly, crushed roasted rice for enhanced flavor. Grilled pork ribs, suan heo nun. Each place has its own secret recipe for grilling pork ribs, and this is also the most distinctive element of Saigon-style com tam. The ribs are marinated with a skillful balance of sweet and sour spices, then grilled over aromatic charcoal. Many eateries grill the ribs right in front of the restaurant to attract diners. Dipping sauce, nuc jum. Every plate of com tam is served with a small bowl of dipping sauce. The sauce is a delicate combination of fish sauce, lime juice, garlic, chili, and sugar in appropriate proportions to achieve a perfect balance of sweet and savory. A unique feature of Saigon-style dining is pouring the dipping sauce onto the plate of com tam and enjoying it without dipping separately. Modern innovation in Saigon-style com tam. Previously, Saigon-style com tam was commonly a street food served to all types of customers. Nowadays, you can find this dish in both modest eateries and upscale restaurants. Moreover, com tam has also been diversified from its traditional form. Additional famous side dishes such as barbecued pork, grilled meatball skewers, or sunny-side-up eggs are often included. As for the eggs, diners can choose their preferred level of doneness. Com tam is not only a delicious dish but also a part of Vietnamese culinary culture. It represents diversity and perfect harmony among its components, creating a distinctive flavor. When savoring com tam, you will experience the harmonious blend of its elements and the delicate taste it offers.